Ever feel like your Tineco Floor 1 S5 combo is giving you the silent treatment? You plug it in, wait patiently, but that stubborn 0% just won't budge? You're definitely not alone. We see this frustrating scenario all the time. The problem? Your Tineco Floor 1 S5 combo can turn on, but it's completely stuck at 0% and simply won't charge up. This isn't just a quirky habit. It's a common issue we diagnose as a battery problem. Over time, even the best batteries can lose their capacity, preventing your vacuum from taking a charge. What does this mean for you? A vacuum that's essentially a fancy paperweight, unable to perform its primary function. Ignoring it won't make it better. It just means more dust bunnies and a whole lot of wasted potential. But here's the good news. This common Tineco battery problem is entirely fixable. Here at Robocare, we've seen it all, and we're experts at diagnosing and fixing these specific issues. We can get your Tineco Floor 1 S5 combo back to full power, ready to tackle any mess. Our team utilizes precision diagnostic equipment to accurately pinpoint the root cause of your battery problem, ensuring we address the exact fault, not just the symptoms. Whether it's a failing battery cell, a charger communication issue, or a power management circuit fault, we've got the expertise. We meticulously replace faulty components with genuine parts, restoring your Tineco Floor 1 S5 combo to its original performance. We don't just fix, we rejuvenate. But seeing is believing, right? Let's get to the results. Fully charged, fully functional, and ready to tackle any mess. With a brand new battery installed by our experts, it's performing flawlessly, just like new. Experiencing a battery problem or any other issue with your vacuum? Visit our website or call us today to schedule your repair.